Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,999, equipped with a reliable 4.3L V6 engine and has 154,000 original miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck comes in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and classic look. It drives great and is very comfortable for daily use. The air conditioning blows cold, making it enjoyable to drive in any weather, and the original factory radio is still in working condition. The interior is in pretty good shape for its age and has been well maintained. All 4 tires are in good condition, and the truck performs exactly as it should with no known issues. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a solid and dependable pickup. It comes with a clean title in hand and a clean Carfax, adding extra peace of mind for the next owner. Number 2. 1989 Dodge D150, price $10,000. Shows 76,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, finished in a classic white exterior. It is a very solid, zero-rust Texas truck that has been well cared for over the years. The truck is powered by a newer 318 engine with less than 1,200 miles of use, delivering reliable performance and smooth driving characteristics. It sits on new wheels and tires and has been professionally lowered, giving it a clean stance while still riding comfortably and smoothly on the road. The ride quality is excellent, making it enjoyable for daily driving or cruising. The interior is in nice condition, matching the well-kept exterior, and reflects consistent care and maintenance. The exterior features an attractive patina paint finish that adds character and a vintage look, while the body remains solid and structurally sound throughout. Number 3. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. It has 165,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It comes finished in a brown exterior color with an off-white interior that has been well cared for and remains in good condition. The interior is clean and well kept, showing that the truck has been properly maintained over the years. The truck runs and drives very well, making it a reliable option for daily use or light work. It is equipped with new front tires, which add to its smooth ride and road readiness. Overall, this is a nice, solid Chevrolet 1500 with a good appearance both inside and out, offering dependable performance and a well-maintained condition for its age. Number 4. 1980 Chevrolet C10, price $8,995, powered by a 350 Ci V8 paired with an automatic transmission and has approximately 69,000 miles on the odometer. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior and runs on gasoline. The truck runs and drives very well and is reliable enough to be driven home anywhere. It is equipped with power steering and power brakes, and all essentials such as lights, wipers, and radio are fully functional. It retains factory air conditioning, though the compressor likely needs attention, while the heater works extremely well. The truck comes with a clean title and is ready to go. Recent upgrades include a new 4/6 lowering kit that provides a comfortable ride, new Halabrand wheels, new tires, new spark plugs, wires, cap, and rotor, a new Hollybed mat, and a new exhaust system. As expected for a C10 of this era, it does have typical rust in common areas, including the bed, rockers, and fender wells. Number 5. 1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, well-built truck with approximately 115,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look. Power comes from a 5.3L LS engine mated to a 4L60E transmission. It sits on original 18-inch billet specialties aluminum wheels wrapped in brand new tires. The stance is upgraded with a 4/6 McGoy's lowering kit with a flip kit, complemented by Beltec street shocks. The truck is managed by a full Haltech system, including the computer, wiring harness, and a digital dash. Overall, it has received many new parts and upgrades, making it a solid and well-sorted build. Number 6. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, finished in a brown exterior with a gray interior. Power comes from a 5.7L V8 paired with a 4L60 automatic transmission that has been rebuilt and shifts smoothly. A new fuel pump has been installed, and the truck has been routinely serviced. The interior is in fantastic condition overall, with only some staining on the carpet. It is equipped with power windows, power locks, and powered front 60/40 seats. The electronic 4x4 buttons on the dash function properly. The dashboard itself is in excellent shape, and there are no check engine lights. A hitch is installed, adding extra utility. Upgrades include a Kenwood Bluetooth head unit, a Rhino-lined bed, and LED headlights, making this truck both comfortable and practical with tasteful improvements throughout.
Number 7. 1996 GMC 1500, price $5,000, solid and reliable truck showing 161,000 miles.
It is powered by a gasoline 4.3L engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it easy and comfortable to drive.
The truck features a clean white exterior with a blue interior that still presents well for its age.
It has been sitting for a short period and would benefit from a basic tune-up, though it has been driven occasionally and runs. There is a small spot of rust starting to appear on the driver's side cap corner, which is typical for a truck of this year. It also comes with a like-new set of wheels and tires that were recently installed. The vehicle has a clean title and is ready for its next owner.
Number 8.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, powered by a 5.7L V8 Vortec engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows over 200,000 miles. It runs on gasoline and features a purple exterior with a tan interior. The truck was originally purchased as a daily driver and to help promote the owner's wife's business, but it is now being sold to help fund a food truck project. A significant amount of work has been completed this year to ensure it remains a reliable daily driver. Both the air conditioning and heating systems work perfectly, and the truck is still driven daily. It is equipped with a 6-inch rough country suspension lift along with a 4-inch body lift, giving it an aggressive stance. The truck sits on 20 by 12 wheels wrapped in 35-inch tires. A clean Texas title is in hand, making it ready for a new owner.
Number 9.
1982 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,600, shows 73,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a tan exterior with a matching tan interior, giving the truck a clean and classic appearance. The vehicle comes with a clean title. The truck is reported to be in very good condition, running and driving smoothly. It was purchased from the original owner, which adds to its history and overall value. All body lines are straight and properly aligned, indicating that the body has been well cared for over the years. This Chevrolet 1500 is a 2WD long bed model equipped with a column-mounted shifter, often referred to as 3 on the tree. Overall, it is a solid and well-preserved classic pickup that would make a great driver or collector piece.
Number 10.
1986 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500, short bed pickup powered by a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck shows approximately 50,000 original miles and is reported to run and drive well. It is equipped with air conditioning and power windows, adding comfort and convenience for everyday driving or weekend use. The exterior is finished in a bright yellow color, while the interior color is not specified. This Sierra is described as being free of rust and comes with a clean title. Overall, it presents as a solid, well-kept classic GMC with low mileage and desirable features for its year.